How to use Earpick to get the key biddings from the lock. First step, please point the light at the lock hole. Then we can see the arrangement of the lock wafers. The wafers on the left correspond to the upper row of the key biddings. We call this track A. The opposite side is track B. The second step is to find the biddings from the lock. First of all, we'll find it from the left. There are 4 wafers and they are at 3 different heights. We can see that the highest one is number 1, the lowest one is number 3, and the one in the middle is number 2. There are 2 wafers on the lowest position. It means there are 2 pieces numbered 3. The biddings of track A is to 331. Next, let's look for the biddings from the right side. There are also 4 wafers and they are at the different heights. After comparing with the left, we didn't find there is any highest position among the wafers on the right. It means there isn't number 1. The wafers on the right are only at the heights of 2 and 3. There are 3 wafers at the height of 2, which means there are 3 pieces of wafers number 2. The biddings are 3222. All biddings are ready. And then let's cut a new key via to M to Tank CNC key cutting machine. Here we will click DIY key. Select My Data option. This is the byte key that I created. Enter this. We will install the key following the guide picture. Pay attention to the shoulder position. If it's ready, please click Continue. Wafers on the left will input to 331. Wafers on the right will input 3222. Finally, click Cut. Continue. Finish cutting both sides. Let's try to turn the lock on. Try to turn the other side.